Yebo. Hayi, injalo. Ayijiki uma isinje. Right. Ake ngiphinde ngiyisuse. Hey mfana, azi babona imfihlo zami la uthi hey. Kanti nemithi emingaka lenja. Yo. Right. Ake ngithinte. Hayi, ayihlale esikhuluma hayi. Mina kwangena usibanibani. Hayi mina kwangena umuntu kunjani? Yebo ukhona umuntu ongenwa inja yemthakathi. Yebo ukhona umuntu ongenwa umuntu ohlanzeke ngendlela emangalisayo. Nkosi yami. Yebo uyaba khona umuntu ongenwa abanikazi besibaya. Yebo uyaba futhi khona umuntu owembethwe ithina sonke. Yebo uyaba futhi khona umuntu ombethwe yithi sonke ekhaya. Nabantu ababehamba nathi sisaphila. Izimpelesi. Izingcelebana. Yebo, you heard me correctly. There are also people that are watched over by angels from outside the family that were very close to that family. Nakia. Kodwa la ngifuna ukuya khona. Akekho owakwakhuluma ngale ndaba. Ake ngiyithinteke mina ke because I can. Yabo you. Imndeni nemndeni iyaba khona nomuntu oyilento ekuthiwa ihlonga ndlebe. Ihlonga ndlebe. NgesiZulu. In every family you'll find there is a being or a person that is rebellious. A person who is extremely rebellious, a person who doesn't really like taking instructions. Sometimes their things work out. Most of the times their things do not work out. Once in a blue moon, it does work out. But this is a person that elders don't really like because that person doesn't listen. They want to do things their way and they want to dictate things. Unfortunately, in the ancestral world, you as a youngster, a living youngster, do not dictate how we do things in the other side. Ngebhadi wena usaphila usaphefumula usalawulwa yithi esingale angeke sitshelwe wena ukuthi senze njani. Yayizwa lo ndaba. Yeah. So, what happens now to an individual within Isibaya Sakini, within your homestead? An individual is now watched over by that bastard. Kwenzeka njani? Hayi, ahambe yobuza ekhaya kini. Angazi mina. Think about it. Niphile njalo niyazi.